Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Grace from Gracie's Diamond World, and if this is your first time stumbling on my channel, I would love for you to stumble, stay and subscribe by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell down below. That bell is going to go ding each and every single time I upload a new video. I've got a package here today. I think I know where it's from. I think I know who it's from. I'm not too sure. Would you like to come and find out with me? I think so. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. In the meantime, let's do what we always do, through some love out to the Patreons of the channel, those that have supported me throughout the journey. And in the meantime, if you still haven't hit that like and that subscribe, or that subscribe and like, I can never remember where they are. They're there somewhere. Here's your opportunity to do so. Come with me, guys. I'll see you on the flip side. Come on. Okay, peeps, let's get into it. I have a feeling I know where this is from, but let's slice and dice and find out together, shall we? Shall we? Yes, it is. Yay! I'm rather excited about this. This is from, have you seen this packaging before? Let's just go. What's this? What's this little bit in here? What's that? I don't know what that means. Pink wax macaroon. Oh, okay. Now I know what that is. Okay, goodo. Let me pop that aside. This is from Mary's Diamonds. Now, I'm not going to lie. This was inspired, and I'm going to give credit where credit is due, by Crafting with Shay. Okay, I'll link her channel down below. Shay, you inspired me. Yes, I took a leaf out of your book. So, yes. Box, even though it came in this, look, you can do all your things, but it still came a little bit damaged, which is a little bit sad. Am I really going to get upset? No. So, Mary's Diamonds, I had ordered from them ages and ages ago. I've yet to complete one of their paintings. I do want to get one done though soon. The other thing that inspired me with this was that when I was on the hunt for a custom painting, this was one of the options that I had. And because you may remember that I had said to you guys, I might have said it on a live, I think, actually, that I was looking, nothing else, yep, no good. I was looking for alternative companies to, get custom paintings from. And Mary's Diamonds obviously does custom. Why is that only half? It's only a little one. Mary's Diamonds does custom paintings as well. So I thought I'll give them a whirl and see what they're like. Now this has got a bit of, oh, that's what fell out. Okay, look at that. Let's see what this is. It's a macaroon. Anyone hungry? I like macaroons. Do you like macaroons? I like macaroons. What's in here? I have a feeling that maybe, is this, yes, it opens. Oh, look. It's a wax caddy. I love me a caddy of wax, and you've got a whole bunch of wax in there. Love me a caddy of wax. How cutesy is that? All right, so there's our wax. There's our diamonds. Ooh! They've done a bit of an upgrade since I last ordered from Mary's Diamonds, which would have been about 1.5 years ago now. This is definitely not what I received from them back then. So we get ourselves a tray, a larger than normal tray, white tray. We get a plastic multi-placer, and this one is, my eyeballs are failing me. I don't know, I want to say it's about maybe an 8 or a 9. We've got a 3 or 4 placer, multi-placer, and I have not, a plate of wax, and I've not had tweezers this color before. Oh, and they're the sharp ones, so be mindful. They're nice and heavy too. They're nice heavy metal ones. Heavy metal. Yeah. I'm not a heavy metal. I'm not a metalhead. I'll give you that much. All right. Let's pop that aside over there. These are our diamonds. Yeah. We'll put that aside over there. Look at the pretty ribbon here. And on the ribbon, it does say Mary's Diamonds. cutesy little touch, cutesy. I'm gonna have to scoot you out a bit though. You guys, hold on. All right, get this out of the way. And let's see what painting I've got. As I said, this credit goes to Shay. Shay, you inspired me. This is not my, this is definitely inspired by her. I saw her video. Shay, I've got to go back and comment on it. Oh, dang. I did hit a like though. I always hit the like. Anywho, let's get into what this painting is. Oh, the back is velvety, felt, if you will, or soft lint. It is scalloped and poked there as well. All right, are you all in shot? You ready? 1, 2, e 3. Woohoo! Gracie's Diamond World. I went looking specifically actually to go and get a custom done. So depending how this canvas is, I might actually try them out for a custom that I want to get done of a portrait, and hopefully the rendering and the colors that they have will be good. But I wanted to see how this was up close and personal as a custom. And they've got different designs, like different themes. I think retro, superhero type things. I can't remember what category this was in. But hey, let's get the name up in lights. Gracie's Diamond World, hey? So this would be really nice. Lots of fun. It'd be nice to get this done and put up somewhere in my craft room as well. You know, you guys are part of this, Gracie's Diamond World. So they've rendered it with 31 colors. Let's look at the 5, 6, 7, 8, and then there's letters. And then letters, and then there is a diamond, there is a hashtag, there is the ampersand and a question mark. Looking at them, the drill field is super clear. Let me bring you down. Oh, not that far down because one of my lenses is broken, but let's bring that down and this up. Pretty clear to you guys? And you can't tell. I'm looking at you, what you're looking at in the camera. However, the canvas itself has a bit of glitter in it. I don't know if the light is going to capture it. Can you see that glitter? Oh, look at that. When you look closely, Mary's Diamonds is all across on the border. So it is, Gracie, let's bring you back outie. Poured glue, of course, and very sticky. Now, I cannot remember what this was supposed to measure at. Does it say it anywhere here? No, it does not. They've got a guarantee down the bottom here. Tipped over your organizer. Missing drills have a suggestion. You can message them here. So you've got a legend on both sides. You've got a thumbnail. No, not a thumbnail. Oh, there's a QR scone. It's not a scone. A QR scan here. I wonder what that gives you. Interesting. And Mary's Diamonds at the top here. Gracie's Diamond World. That's me. So now let's have a look at this. And there's a lot of color blocking, a lot. For the fact that there's 31 colors, you wouldn't think so, would you? You really wouldn't think that that's got 31 colors in it. It just looks like maybe 6 or 7. Oh, there we go. It tells me here 80 by 40. So we're going to do a measure in a minute. So we do get it's not a sticker, but we do get an inventory sheet, which is lovely. And what I'll essentially do is cut these out, run them through my Zoran sticker maker, put them in my containers, and off I go. 31 containers. I'm not sure what the 3 means. See, there's a 3 stamp there. I don't know what that means. It's supposed to be an 80 by 40, 31 colors, Gracie's Diamond World standard collection artist. For once, I brought my tape measure. Yay, aren't you impressed? Aren't you impressed? I've been forgetting it of late. That is spot on 80, guys. Spot on. Like, not even a bee's doo-doo off. It is like exact to the bee's doo-doo. 80. And exact to the bee's doo-doo of 40. So, true to size. I like that. I like that a lot. It gives me confidence for when I want to order my custom. That I want to now reach out to them and ask them when it comes to customs, will they send me renderings? Now, these are kind of mixed up a bit in here. I don't know that I'm going to take them all out, but look what I do see. Look, there's a whole bunch of yellow here. I wonder where the yellow is going to go. Gee, I wonder, right? I do see AB here and AB here. And AB here. We're going to talk about what that all means in a minute. And these are the other colours. And all of them have got now 552. So that's the DMC code on there. It's even got on each sticker what the canvas code must be. So is that it? Yeah, 21595. So this code here is on each of the stickers on your baggies. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then the weight. So they're measured out by weight. 5200. All right, so that's going to be the white background there. And then we've got purples and like a whole bunch of 718. 718 is the 8 symbol. And so this here is this darker pink here. All this darker pink here is this color here. Alrighty, and you know, I think it goes without saying 726 is the letter A, and obviously this then is all the yellow. Awesome, and I'm going to guess that 973 is 973, Gracie. 973R. Oh, down the bottom is the question mark, and this is going to be just sporadically put around in the yellow. Like it's not very predominant in the yellow. It's just very, very, very sporadic. And then funnily enough, we've got 208. What is this one? I'm excited. 208R is the hashtag. And wow. So what they've done, I actually quite like what they did with that. So this is going to be yellow, the words, the letters. And what they've done is they've decided to bling out with the Aurora Borealis, the background, this purple. This is this purple. All this purple here is all going to be AB. Whoa! I like that. I like it a lot. Now, for those of you that are new to diamond painting, if you happen to be new to diamond painting, you're thinking, Gracie, what are you banging on about an AB? What is an AB? AB stands for Aurora Borealis. You can see that, for example, this purple here compared to this purple here, yes, they're different shades, but can you see that this one here has like this iridescent look about it? It's like throwing off all these beautiful colors. Okay, that's what an AB is. Aurora Borealis is the common terminology we use around the camp. And what happens is not only will these shine and twinkle when you put them on here, but once you get next to all the other diamonds around it, they're going to make them shine and pop and twinkle even more so. So how's that? Now, have we got all, hang on, is there three? 1, 2, 3, 3 ABs. 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, they're the 3 ABs that they've charted this with. So can you, like these colors, look at those colors together. Can you imagine what this is going to look like when it's finished? How awesome. How awesome is that going to be? And then of course you've got the white here as well in the clouds. Now, one of the reasons that also inspired me was not only to get Gracie's Diamond World, however, you can, the wording here, you can choose whatever you like. So what I wanted to talk about was you can actually also use this if you've got an occasion for somebody. So have you got like a first birthday gift that you want to give someone and you want to make a name for their room, you know, like a little kiddie's room. I mean, there's different backgrounds, okay? So choose what fits best. Did you want to do signage for a particular office area? You could do that if you're really passionate about it. A wedding present, an engagement present. Yeah? There is nothing that says to me personally, and especially if you know the people that you're giving something to, there's nothing to me that says personalized and handcrafted or hand done when giving a gift. To me, that is the bestest, you know. You can go, we can all go to a shop and buy something, but when something is done for you and someone's taken time and passion to do it for you, that to me speaks heart. And that's what I wanted to also say today. So for example, as time goes on, I might get one with my offspring's names on here. Yeah, so I'll put Noah and I'll put Gabriel and make one for each of their rooms. I reckon that would be awesome. Would I change anything? Look, I reckon the yellow there is going to look really well, and not forgetting that it's all outlined. So see how, even though it's yellow, there's a darker purple outline. So it's going to pop so well, so well. And I'm loving the fact that this is all AB in the background. And this pink, I mean, look at those colors. Are you excited? It'd be awesome to get this up on my wall, I think. Yes, now I cannot remember how, look, it took about, I want to say, gosh, I can't even remember how long it took me to get this. At least I want to say 3 weeks, maybe give or take. I'm pretty sure. Pretty averagely, you know, well priced. What I'm looking at here, I'm very, very happy so far. Of course, I will not know the true quality of everything until I start diamond painting. I'm happy that there's not too much 310. How much? That's all the 310 there is, which is going to be this here. Now, this particular pattern, like with the clouds and everything, that's available on their website. That's like a standard background, and you just go on and you put whatever words or letters you want. Again, I'm going to link Shay's video down below and her channel. I'm sure you all know Shay. I know you all know Shay, and she's got a different version. And I just wanted to say thank you to my girl Shay for inspiring me to do something like this. This is by no means my original idea to get a channel name on here, and I wanted to say thank you for the inspiration to do the same, because I reckon it's super cool. Yeah, did I spell it right? D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Can you imagine if I'm looking at it and it was spelt wrong? That would be not cool. All right, so from me at Gracie's Diamond World to you, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here. And wherever you are in your part of the world, please do look after, in your part of the world, do look after yourselves. Go throw Shay some love. Go hit a subscribe if you're not already done so. Look after yourselves. Look after each other. Have each other's backs. It's so super important. Until I see you all next time, I'm going to send you all much love, and ciao for now.